This year, you're going to practice using the dictionary. You're going to take your spelling and vocabulary words and look those definitions up yourself. The easiest way to do that is to go to Kids Wordsmith. You should already have that website saved to your computer for future reference. If not, in your web browser, you're going to type KIDS period WORDSMYTH period.net, as you can see right up here. Kids period wordsmith period.net, and that's the website. Anyway, when you get to the website, you're going to come here. I'm going to zoom in right at the top left here. You're going to type that in. One of your words for this week, for instance, is rarely. So you're going to type it in, RARELY, because it's right on your daily assignments and instructions worksheet. You can see your 3 vocabulary words each week, and you type in the first word. And it says here, not often. If you don't know how to pronounce the word, all you have to do is hit the button here beside pronunciation. And it will do it. Make sure your volume is up or your headphones are in so you can hear. I'll turn my volume up.
Rarely.
Rarely. They pronounce the word for you. So just hit that button.
Rarely.
So you can hear what it sounds like. And then you see the definition here. It says not often. Don't worry about the word seldom. Just take the first part of the definition before the semicolon. It says not often. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your sheet of paper. You're going to have a regular sheet of writing paper, just like this. And you're going to write up there, rarely, dash, not often. Now you have more room on your paper, so yours can be side by side. In fact, I'll try to show you again smaller, if I can. You'll have number 1, rarely, dash, not often. And then you would take that and you're going to write that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll write that 5 times. Rarely, not often, rarely, not often, rarely, not often, rarely, not often. And then you'll get your second word for that day. And you'll do the same thing over. Now, you're supposed to do all of this on one sheet of writing paper. Just number your paper 1 through 5 for each word. So rarely, and then you'll number your paper 1 through 5, and then purpose, you'll number your paper 1 through 5, and then distribute, you'll number your paper 1 through 5, because those are your spelling and vocabulary words this week. So after you get not often, you'll come over here, purpose. We're just going to take definition 1, a reason or plan that guides an action. Or you can take definition 3, the reason for which something exists. Right here. The reason for which something exists. It's up to you, but you choose the definition that you want to remember. And remember, if you can't pronounce the word, just hit that button.
Purpose.
And it'll tell you how the word is supposed to sound. And when you hear that,
purpose,
repeat it. Purpose.
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 Purpose. And just keep doing that until it's in your memory. And you keep doing that, and you take the word again on your piece of paper, number it 1 through 5. On that same sheet of paper, just go down a little bit after you write rarely. On the same sheet of paper, you're going to write purpose, and then you're going to number it 1 through 5, and you're going to put purpose. The reason for which something exists. Purpose. The reason for which something exists. Or you can use the other definition. Purpose. A reason or plan that guides an action. Just write one of those definitions with that word 5 times each. Now, today, for the first day, all you're going to be doing is writing the word and definition, and you're going to hit here to hear the word.
Purpose.
However, moving forward, sometimes instead of you getting the definition, sometimes you'll be told to get the sentence for the word. So tomorrow, when you come for spelling and vocabulary, you won't be writing the word and definition 5 times. You'll get the word on another sheet of paper and you'll write the sentence that comes with it. So if our word is going to be distribute, so you're hitting distribute here, or you can finish typing it in. It's up to you. But we're going to go ahead and hit distribute. If we can get distribute. Let's just do it this way. All right, and it says distribute. We want to listen to the word.
Distribute.
Yep. And definition, to divide into parts and give out to each of several people or groups. But we want the sentence now, which is always going to be under that definition. So when I tell you on your work to write the sentence, you know to take this part that's kind of slanted, like italics. If I can get it highlight without, So yeah, the teacher distributed the test to her students. You can use that sentence, or you can use the farmer distributed the seeds over the field. So today, for the first day, you're getting the word and the definition. But some days I'm going to tell you to get the sentence. But this is pretty much how you use your dictionary to look up all of the words that I give you. You'll be able to come over to this dictionary and find the word. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions. So remember, you come over here, you type in the word. For instance, little. And you hit go. Over here, you look at the definition. Definition 1 says small in size. Simple. What if I don't know how to say little? What if I'm saying little or litle? I can hit here.
Little.
And it's going to tell me it's pronounced little. On the days when you don't need the word and definition and you need the sentence, I still can come here and it says the kittens are still little, but they are growing fast.